Hello, here is the preview video for Monday, March 29th. And here we go. We always start off with math, and today you're going to take your Topic E quiz. So let's take a look at that so you know what's going to be involved. There is scrap paper to use. And I will zoom in. So you're going to subtract from a whole number minus a fraction. You're going to multiply a whole number times a fraction. And you're going to rename a fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number. And then convert a mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. And then you're going to compare the fractions and give a brief explanation for these first two of y. And then finally, you just compare these two numbers, these two fractions, I should say, and greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, so that is your Topic E quiz. We'll have snack, and then we'll have Math Win. We'll do more with geometry. After your special and lunch, we'll do literacy. You're going to do an activity called skill-specific poetry. So this section includes poems for teaching specific literature skills. There's one poem for each. So first, themes in poetry. So this, you're going to read this poem. What is a theme for this poem? You're going to infer who the speaker is. So you're going to read this and who is the speaker, and use evidence to tell us why you knew that. Inferences. You're going to read this poem. Who does Ms. Bloom immediately suspect? What is your inference? What is your evidence? What caused the speaker to realize that the window was open? Inference, evidence. What happened to the grade book? Inference, evidence. Infer the speaker's feelings. How does the speaker feel about the camping trip? And use evidence from the poem. And then finally, summarizing in poetry. Write a summary of the poem. So that is your literacy for today. It's a lot, but you can do it. We know you can. For writing, we're going to be working on lesson 6, building suspense. We learned about our red flag words and phrases. We learned about word reference. We learned about giving hints. We learned about the magic of 3. So now we're going to put it all together. After recess, we're going to start science with our matter and energy unit. The student reader is here in case you don't have it, but you should. So we're going to read the student reader. Section 1 is about the STEM cycle, the scientific process, properties of matter, measuring matter, and identifying properties of matter. So we're going to be massing sand and gravel for our first activity, or I should say experiment. And that is our Monday. We'll see you soon.